What is going on, guys? And today I will be showing you guys my new fidget spinner. Well, if you haven't seen my other video, which I painted this blue fidget spinner, it had like these. I got spray paint and then I got a straw and then I started throwing spray paint at it. It got like this cool design. But the bad thing is, the spray paint got out. So, but it's still okay. You see, it's still pretty good. It's pretty fast. And yeah. So, keep watching to see my new fidget spinner. Well, most of you guys are familiar with the three-sided fidget spinner. But have you ever seen a two-sided Batman fidget spinner? This is a fidget spinner that I got, I think, yesterday. I got this fidget spinner yesterday. I got it before yesterday. So, here it is. It looks pretty cool. It's like that Batman design. It's like a little bat. And it is pretty fast. But a bad thing is the noise. It makes a lot of noise. Like, compared to this one is way louder. Listen. You guys hear that? Listen to this one. You can't even hear anything. But this one has a way better design. And it looks like Batman. But let's see now if I can do a trick with both of these, stacking it only on my thumb. Okay. Let's try that again. Yeah, let's try it again. I did it! Second try. Whoa. Yes! Roll down. That was cool. Uh-oh. Okay. Well, anyways, thank you for watching, and make sure to check out my other videos. Bye.
I think you landed that.